Used to be dead down.
Come on,
I was like jet now. We don't play ready. No. Don't master flicks now. I just got a new farm. About to go party vid now.
If this shit shoots back at me and I get fucking sprayed. Oh shit. Dude, god damn it. maybe I didn't shake it up enough. Or maybe too much. Maybe you're not supposed to shake it up. Oh fuck! Alright, maybe you're not supposed to shake it up. I should have bought more. 5 is not enough. Oh fuck! Dude!
That good stuff?
Oh yeah, it is. You're just gonna throw it. Yeah, god damn it, dude. Well, where's the scooter? Oh, fuck. Dude. I'm not a scooter kid, bro. I fucking suck at this shit. Bro, how do you whip this fucking thing? Oh, like that. Dude, fuck scooters, bro. This parking lot sucks. Oh, fuck. Dude, I gotta at least do it once, bro. Otherwise I'm gonna get pissed off. Fuck. Dude. Your turn, Brock. Let's see it. Got the boots on, dude.
I like to do this.
Dude, what the fuck?
Wait, I used to do it before.
Oh.
I'm gonna do a tail whip.
Bro, it's not. That was a bar spin.
Same thing.
Fuck no. Look at that sunset, dude. This fucking dumbass, dude. Yo. Oh, Oro, bro. Bro hops out, he's just got 2 cameras right on him. Fucking shitter.
I saw my neck worth 100,000.
Fake.
So long, bitch.
Yeah.
Man, bro. You're better than me.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
I'm better. Oh, if you make me drop this shit, I'm gonna beat your ass.
I'm gonna make you drop your pants.
I'm gonna
boy.
fucking hit you in the nuts.
Who the fuck is this?
Who?
You.
Me?
Who are you, bro?
Me? Who am I, dude?
Get out of here, dude. Dude, you can't be here.
I'm here.
Alright,
I'm gonna punch your dick.
Alright, go on. Go. Dude, I should be a fucking quarterback, dude. Holy shit.
I was a quarterback
For 2 plays. Yeah, I see why it was only 2 fucking plays. Oh fuck. What the fuck, dude? Hey, camera's on me, or mic's on me, dumbass. Hey, they can't hear you.
Why didn't you give me a fucking mic?
Cuz, bro. No one wants to hear your ugly voice.
Why didn't you give me a fucking mic?
No! Bro, what the fuck are you doing?
He's insecure. You're an insecure little bitch.
Kick that fucker. Oh, shit. I can't even. Run! What the fuck you doing? You gotta run, dude.
Give me your mic.
No.
This shit is gay with only one mic. Ah!
I was got the extendo, holy shit.
This guy's ugly.
This guy's ugly.
So is this guy.
Yeah, bro.
Me?
Holy bro didn't even do anything.
Put that ass hose out here middle of me crash out.
Run a fucking route. Here.
Dude, you run the
Dude,
route.
alright. Alright, let me show you what I'm doing. Give me the ball. Let me
Do what I say.
let me draw it. Alright, what do you want me to do?
Show me what you want to do.
Just gonna
Just kidding. Go long. What are you drawing in the air for?
cut straight that way.
Could have said an L gritty formation, bro.
L gritty formation.
Alright.
Alright, get that downset hut.
Knit. Crackle.
What? Alright, now it's your turn. That's the line of scrimmage. This is the line of scrimmage right here.
Line of scrimmage is where I say it is.
Or what are you doing?
Thinking
Just
about
kidding, bro. I don't give a
sex.
shit. Just go.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't even say downset hut. What the fuck?
You told me to fucking
Run!
nah. I'm gonna walk.
Dude, bro, this guy's the worst fucking. Well, he might be the least athletic person. Nah, actually, nah, you.
Yeah, you're
Fucking beast, dude. And those lights are bright.
They are, bro. Don't get.
Hey, you were
They are
okay.
bright. You gonna run that way then? Or
Okay.
you're out of breath already.
What do you think I am, you bitch?
I just got done smoking a bunch of weed, bro.
I don't do gardening.
Bro does not garden.
Garcia.
All right, down. Set it. Oh, that was ass. That was ass. That's my bad. My bad, dude. Bad throw. Bad throw. My bad. My fault. Kick it. What the fuck? What? Bro.
Thick ass on it.
Bro said what?
I thought your shirt said thick ass.
Thick ass.
Not that short. That's so big.
That's how you do it. You do that. Get up there, boy. Let's do a pull-up competition.
On this short ass branch?
Yeah. Oh, excuses, dude.
Come on, Zach. Let's see it.
Excuses. I just did fucking
Do a flip.
Well, the chat is
do a
good.
flip. Oh, what should I do a flip off of?
The ground.
Brock's bed.
Is there beer in here?
Dude, Welly, no, get out of the way.
What?
Don't do some dumb shit.
I can't stand like this?
Oh, Brock, get him out of the way.
You can't do it yourself? Just do it.
Dude, get out of
Just
the
do a
way.
flip. I'm not gonna do anything.
Get
Just
out
do
of
a
the way.
flip. Okay.
I'm not, no, get him. I'm not doing one until he gets out of the way. I don't trust him, dude.
Alright, I'll move.
Bro. No, actually do not screen some shit and fucking freak me out. I do not want to end up in the hospital. Dude, get out of the way! Fucking dumbass,
Can
dude.
you even do a flip?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, I was trying to do a front flip. Or like a, not like a front, but like a
In
side.
your head.
Alright, it's your turn. Your turn.
This bed's not high enough for me. I'm
Your
at
turn,
least
big
like
shit
4
talker.
feet.
Get up there, do one.
I'm a safe
Do it.
person.
So am I.
Alright, get in the... Oh, fuck no. Keep that thing away from me.
I'll whack you, bitch. Yo, what's he doing? Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Bro, you're getting robbed, Rock. Do a burnout!
Not my truck while I'm not in there. What is he
Dude, where's he going? You know what? Two can play that fucking game. Dude, how do you fucking... The key's in the ignition. The fuck? Yo, I was gonna steal your Jeep, but your fucking shit's a piece of shit.
You just don't know how to start it, bitch.
Dude, the fucking key is stuck in the ignition.
Here, I got pissed.
Alright.
Watch this, dumbass.
Oh.
You just gotta use the key.
Oh, okay. Yo! Holy fucking mosquito.
Gay
Dude.
sex. It gives you AIDS.
Bro, what the fuck?
Saint Laurent done, yeah.